Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll discuss another OOPS concept. Nothing but it's a principle of OOPS concept. So that is a inheritance. Okay. So what is the definitions of the inheritance? First of all, if one entity acquired the properties and the behavior of another entity, then it is called as a inheritance. So one entity can be a class which is acquiring the properties and the behavior of another class. So in this case, so we can use two important informations. One is parent class and another is child class. Okay. So child class always acquire the some properties or behaviors from the parent class as usual, right? So that's what it's a inheritance. So sometimes it's called superclass or base class, and child class called as a subclass. Okay. Now we'll understand why this inheritance needed, right? So first of all, code reusable. So that is means, so same code we can use for the future purpose or any of the project where it is being needed. Second point is better code maintain, right? Third point is supports polymorphism. And fourth point, model is a relationship. Okay, so inheritance is a relationship because of four reasons. So mainly code maintain, reusable, polymorphism, and the is a relationship. We need this inheritance. So now let's take a very basic example of inheritance. So then we'll discuss about different types of inheritance available in Java. So let's say this is a parent class, name is parent. Okay, that is my class, and this class having a variable integer x equals to 10, right? And it's a void display, let's say display, okay, method, and this method basically print, okay, the parent. Okay, let's say parent. Okay, so this method is closed and this is my class is closed. Okay, and now this is my child class, so class child. Okay, and now what keyword is used in Java to achieve inheritance? So that is a extends keyword. We need it to achieve the inheritance, so this is extend. So my child class extends parent. Okay, then whatever is there, okay, so that should come here. So apart from that, if I am declaring, let's say, show some method, okay, and this method is basically printing, okay, child. Okay, so now what happened? So first of all, in that parent class you can see there is a display method and we are printing parent, but child extend that parent class, right? And it has having its own method show. So now if I create the object, so let's say if I am creating the object, okay, child obj, okay, equals to new child. Okay, and now if I call obj dot show method, then it will print that child, but also I can get the method is display, which will print the display. So this is a basic syntax of inheritance. Now we'll understand different types of inheritance available in Java. So in Java there is majorly four types of inheritance available. Okay, so one is single inheritance, okay, inheritance. Second is multi level, third is multiple, fourth is hierarchical. Okay, so now four different types of inheritance available in Java. Okay, first of all we'll understand single inheritance. So let's say this is a class, okay, A, okay, and another class B, okay, this is extend, okay. So this is a single inheritance. So in a simple declarations, class A, okay, now class B basically extends class A, okay. So this is a single inheritance. Now what is multi-level inheritance? Now class A extend, class B extend A, then class C extend B. So this is a multi-level, okay, inheritance. So how we can write this one? Let's say class A, this is the class A definitions. So now class B extends class A, then class C again extends, okay, class B. So this is a multi-level inheritance. Multiple inheritance, Java doesn't support that multiple inheritance because of diamond problem. So what is diamond problem? We'll discuss in separate video. But Java achieved this multiple inheritance with the help of interface. So this diamond problem that cause and how to achieve the multiple inheritance using interface, I'll create a separate video to clear that concept. Now let's concentrate on the hierarchical in inheritance. So in this hierarchical inheritance, how it would be, okay. So in a simple things, class A, okay, extend class B, okay, basically extends A, okay, then also class C extend A, okay. So in a simple definitions, class A, okay, now class B extends class A, okay, and class C extends class A. So basically two class extends the A. But what is multiple inheritance I was talking about? Java doesn't support. So let's say class A extends, okay, B comma C, I mean both class at a time. So this is not supported. In a simple statement, one class cannot extend more than one class at a time, okay. So if it will extend, then Java will throw the compilations error, because Java doesn't support multiple inheritance using class. You have to achieve it with the help of interface. That's the overall concept of inheritance and the different types of inheritance available in Java. That's all in this video. Still, if you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment sections. Thank you so much. I'll see you next tutorial.